My name is Anthony Brown, and this year I became a millionaire.
My name is Darren James, and this year I've become a millionaire.
My name is George Williams. Last year I was broke and lost my house. But in 2014, I became a millionaire.
This is Susan Coleman. I'm a stay-at-home mom. Oh, and yes, I am also a millionaire.
Congratulations, you are about to become a millionaire too. Yes, that's right. Next year you can be the one on this members only page, showing millions of dollars in your bank account. Can you imagine making as much as $18,820 per day with one click? Yes, per day. And yes, if you're part of our Millionaire Society, all you need to do for it is click your mouse a few times, just like this. With this kind of daily profits, you can easily make up to $1,724,877 by the end of the year. So in 2015, you too will officially be a millionaire. And now let me tell you the best part. This is not going to cost you a single penny. Zero. Nada. Niente. You can join our Secret Millionaire Society today for free. Yes, free. 100% free. No catch. I'm dead serious. At no time will anybody ask you for any of your hard-earned money. Access to our Secret Millionaire Society is 100% free and will always be free. You've just come to a private members-only website and look around you. There is no buy now button anywhere. And you have my word that everything is 100% free. I'm not going to ask you to buy anything, as I have nothing to sell you, and neither do any of the other members of our Millionaire Society. This is not how we've become millionaires. We don't sell stuff. We're not wannabe internet gurus trying to rip off honest guys like you in order to make a quick buck. So put your wallet away and listen up, because I'm about to explain to you exactly how you can get free access to our secret club and how you can become a millionaire by the end of this year. Yes, just like George, Darren, Anthony, and Susan. Just like many others you will meet inside our club in the next few minutes. And just like me. But first of all, who am I? My name is Brad Marshall, and yes, I'm a millionaire too. Well, actually, that's a bit of a lie. Look at this. I'm not just a millionaire. I'm a multimillionaire. But that's not the point. I'm not here to brag. I'm not here to make you feel bad about your current financial situation. I'm here to help you in turning it around. And I can do that within the next few minutes. Guaranteed. What you need to know is that I'm not your average jerk millionaire. You know, the guy passing with a Ferrari that has no respect for other people, the typical selfish and arrogant rich guy you see on TV, maybe one of those celebrities you see all over the magazines. I'm not one of those jerks splashing money and doing nothing to pay it forward. Hey, don't get me wrong. Being part of this Millionaire Society and making so much money is pretty cool, and I'm happy to be making so much money. Let me tell you, being financially free is one of the best feelings in the world. It allows you to have time to do things you really love in life. It allows you to have all the time you want to spend with your family and friends. It was only just a few years ago I was driving an old beat-up Toyota, and now I lavish myself and the rest of my family with the finest things in life. Fancy holidays all over the world, my children go to the best schools in the country, and I even own a 70-foot yacht that I spend the weekends on with my family and friends. These are just some of the great things that I really enjoy, and that you will soon be able to afford too. But as they say, there's more to life than material possessions, and I'm not like those old, arrogant rich people you might have come across. I'm nothing like that at all. Apart from being a multimillionaire, I'm one of the members of a very small, secret club called the Millionaire Society that you probably have never heard of before. Actually, I'm sure this is the first time you've heard about this, and I think we've been flying under the radar for far too long. We make a lot of money and enjoy life to the fullest. We don't need any exposure, and we're not doing this to brag or trying to rub people's noses in our success at making boatloads of money. Actually, this is the first time we decided to open the doors to our exclusive club, and I have a very good reason for this. Please pay close attention because nobody out there knows about this secret society or the system we use, and that's why it's so easy and works every single time. You are the first outsider to be let in on this secret. And in case you were wondering, this has nothing to do with Forex, stocks, penny stocks, options, and any form of traditional trading that you've heard of before. You might have tried some of those and failed, and I'm not surprised, as I've seen all sorts of useless systems being pitched all over the internet. But this is different. Completely different. So forget about anything you've learned about in the past. The way our system works is completely different, and this is why we kept it as our very close guarded secret. And just to make this clear, this has nothing to do with MLM, scalping, pyramids, or anything like that either. And the best thing is, it's 100% legal and ethical. Now, I cannot disclose into details how our system works, as that's something for our Millionaire Society members only. You'll want to find that out once I give you free access to it. But I want to show you why we keep making more and more money and why we're so dedicated to help other people out. In our Millionaire Society members area, you'll see something that nobody has ever shown you before. You're going to get access to my full live trading account. You'll be able to see the software making money live in front of your eyes, and you'll see what it trades and how it trades. Most importantly, you'll see my account and the other members' account growing at the speed of light. Of course, this will be for your eyes only, so please don't share it with anyone. You'll also see third-party verified stats, and everything will be crystal clear. Our software works. We have nothing to hide. For now, let me give you a sneak peek as to what our secret software is capable of doing. I want to show you one of my trading accounts, the very same one you will see running live in front of your eyes inside the private members area. You see this? There is currently $235,633 in it. Now, what's really amazing, and the reason why I know that people accessing our Millionaire Society automated system can easily become millionaires too, is because this special software uses a very unique trading algorithm that allows its profits to keep growing exponentially as every month goes by. For example, just look at this. In March 2014, the system made a whopping $321,200, and now, if you look at the month of April, our system made over $345,000. Now, let me be honest with you. Somebody who really cares about you invited you to this membership club. Word is spreading really fast, and we only decided to do this a couple days ago and made this exclusive invitation page today. But this system is very powerful. Heck, I made earnings of as much as $300,000 plus in a month, and so did other members. So we only allow a very limited amount of new people to join. Please know, we don't need your money, and we're giving you full access for free, but we cannot afford to let too many people in. Not for free, and not for any price. Even some traders from some of the biggest banks in the USA, I'm not going to mention the names, actually offered us a huge amount of money for exclusive access to our software, but we politely denied. This is just too powerful to let it slip in the hands of the wrong people. And this is why we keep the society as secret and exclusive as we possibly can. But if you can still see this video, congratulations. You're in luck, and you're one of the few lucky people who can be part of our secret club. I'll tell you what you need to do, so you don't waste another minute. You can literally start making money minutes from now, and it will not cost you a penny. I promise you. Hey, I know your time is just as precious as mine, so I want to cut to the chase and point you immediately to the money. Most of the people making it into this secret members-only site were invited by personal friends I mentored in the past. So chances are you already know who I am, my ethics, and how well the system that our Millionaire Society members use works. Most of our members were on the same boat you are right now, until not too long ago, struggling to make a few extra bucks and looking for a way to generate consistent money online. So we know what it feels like. And I was once there too, struggling to make enough money to get to the end of the month and then losing every single cent I was making trading in those shark-infested markets like Forex, stock, and binary. I even tried internet marketing, blogging, buying ads, selling stuff on eBay and Amazon. Let me be honest with you. I'm not ashamed to admit that I've been around a few blocks and failed miserably before I joined this club. I lost so much money in those markets until I finally came across the one I'm about to show you, and came across the people who developed an automated system that can make you thousands per trade over and over again, 100% on autopilot and in just minutes. That was the moment I was invited into the Insiders Club. I finally made it into the Millionaire Society. How did that happen? How did I make it into this secret club where everybody's been making tens of thousands of dollars per day? That's something I'm going to show you once you're part of the team, once you're one of us in a few minutes from now. For now, let me tell you that up until that point, I remember spending hours at the computer, and even though I always thought I was a good trader and had the programming skills to create some sort of system to make money from trading, I'd made nothing. And chances are you're probably making nothing too, aren't you? But that's normal, so don't feel bad. It's not your fault. There's no way to make money trading the way everybody else does, or using those ridiculous systems and software you find all over the internet. You need something different, and today you're getting it, just like I did a few years ago. I was lucky enough to come across this amazing group of people in the Millionaire Society, and just like you, I was given access to the software that's responsible for making me over $10 million to this date. I even kept a copy of the message from the broker congratulating me for that. I have to tell you, it was an amazing feeling. And that really made me realize the importance of paying it forward in life. This group of people had shared with me the system they used to make so much money, whilst my wife and most of my family used to laugh at me for trying to crack the code. These people have been amazing mentors to me, and the most important thing I learned in our little society is never let money change the giving person that you are. When your time comes, you have to pay it forward. And I promised I would. And this is why I'm here today. In the past, I've done free seminars and shared our system with my close friends. But I wanted to do more than just share this success with my friends. I once read a quote that changed my life more than any money I ever made. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Pretty powerful and inspirational, isn't it? This is why I decided to open the doors to 20 people I never met in my life and give them access to our secret club. I want to share with you our wealth of knowledge and, more importantly, let you in on one of the most powerful and well-guarded money-making software in the history of trading. For free. Yes, free. Money is not an issue. As you've seen in our Millionaire Society, we all have plenty. And in case you're thinking, Brad, this is great. Thank you for letting me in, but I might not have the startup capital to get started as I don't have a lot right now. Let me show you this. Let me show you how our Millionaire Society software works. How quickly you will build wealth for yourself from absolutely nothing. Here's a brand new account we've just opened so you can see with your own eyes how quickly you can be making money. From our Millionaire Society members area, I followed a few simple steps, put $250 into a new account I set up for this demonstration, and clicked a few buttons to activate the very same software we're giving 20 people today for free. Now, look at what happens within minutes. We've gone from $250 to a whopping $5,633 whilst I'm here recording this video for you. Yes, it's that easy. And yes, you get the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to access our Insiders Club and this very same fully automated system. Now, remember when I told you that you could get your membership for free? Well, I lied. Kind of. It will cost you $50,000. Now, before you panic and think that I did not keep my word about giving you everything for free, let me explain. As you've seen by now, our Millionaire Society is all about paying it forward. And we know for a fact how valuable what we're giving you today for free really is. It's going to change your life. It's going to change your family's life. Heck, it's even going to change some of your friends' lives as you'll be able to help them too. They might even join you on your yacht on weekends, just like mine do. So I came up with a rule, just one rule that all the Millionaire Societies need to follow. We're all about paying it forward, so you need to agree to something before we're going to let you into our club. This is the only condition. If you agree to this, you're getting one of the 20 free memberships we made available. Once you've made over $1 million in profit, we want you to donate $50,000 to the charity of your choice. That's it. You don't have to give us that money. We want you to just go ahead and pick a charity you like and donate $50,000. Just like I did. Look here. And just like all the other members did. We are very strict on that. We're giving you access to an automated system that can make you millions for the years to come. So donating to a charity of your choice a mere $50,000 after you've made your first million is the minimum you could do to show your appreciation for the humankind. Again, you only need to do this after you've made your first $1 million, so no stress. I'm sure you'll be happy to do it when the time comes. You see here? We all did it. And let me tell you, that's the best feeling ever. To give back feels just amazing, and you'll soon find that out too. Trust me, after you've made your first $1 million and the system keeps generating for you more and more money, giving $50,000 to charity will not even make a dent into your new lifestyle. So you win, your family wins, and everybody else around you wins too. This is the only condition we decided to have today for you to get free access to our club and the fully automated software responsible for making us all millionaires. We're talking about thousands of dollars in profit per day like this, and this can be your account doing exactly the same a few minutes from now. It doesn't matter if you have little or no money to get started. It doesn't matter if you've never traded in your life. It doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of time to spend at the computer. And as a matter of fact, it doesn't even matter if you're not familiar with any trading at all. You could be a seasoned trader or somebody who's never even placed a trade in their life. The results will be exactly the same, as the software will take care of everything for you. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need to know anything about trading, and you don't need to learn anything at all. You can still get $15,000 per day paydays, just like all these guys in the Millionaire Society do. Because the best part is that we fully automated our system for you. So we didn't have to do any of the tedious manual work, and best of all, neither do you. You see, we just spent over $100,000 to make sure the whole system was fully automated, so that the 20 lucky new members today can replicate the same success we have, no matter their experience or financial situation, and without any errors or wasting any time. Look, whilst I'm here talking to you, I even launched the software, and you saw that within a few minutes it automatically found the right trades and generated $18,820 in profit. All of that was done 100% on autopilot with just a few clicks of my mouse whilst I was here talking to you. Amazing, isn't it? I'm prepared to put my time, my effort, and my money into making you a success story. I want you to become the next millionaire trader and be the next person making a video sharing your story. I really do. And there's nothing that's going to make me happier than that. And I'm giving you everything. The fully automated system that makes money on your behalf, the personal training, and even full access to all the other Millionaire Society members to get you started. All for free. Everything is 100% free. None of us wants a single cent from you, and we will never ask you for any money from your profits or anything like that, ever. As I said before, I don't need your money, and I just want to see you succeed. No catch, no strings attached. You just need to act fast and grab your membership access via the form on this page now. Every single cent is yours to keep, and you can make millions and never owe us anything more than a simple thank you note and the promise that one day you'll pay it forward too by making a donation to any charity of your choice. This is a one-time opportunity for you. Register via the form on this page, click your mouse a few times, and you're ready to start making money. The amount of money you can make from this is really up to you. The sky's the limit, and I've shown you solid proof. Plus, you'll get to see the software in action in the members area. Everything is there for you to see with your own eyes. It's even third-party verified. But please don't wait to get started, because I'm only going to offer free access to our members club to a very limited amount of people, which means all the spots will be gone within minutes. Do yourself a favor and get free and instant access to our Millionaire Society via the registration form on this page now, before all the 20 spots are taken. You will be immediately redirected to the members area, where you will get free access to our point-and-click software, as well as access to the live real-time trades the software makes for me and the other members, and full instructions on how to start making money within the next few minutes. Click the free registration button on this page now, before the last few spots are taken, and I'll see you on the other side to get started.